What's up everybody, Duncan here with RV Wholesalers, and we're doing another I wish I had known video. And today we're talking about sealant on your roof. So something I wish I had known before is that when you buy an RV and you get a warranty, in order to keep that warranty stable and continue it going, you have to reseal around the tops of the parts of your roof every 6 months. So you'll see sealant right here. These two pieces that you can get in the parts store on rvwholesalers.com, you can seal here with this. This is for a larger area, but you need to do that every 6 months in order to keep that current. And I do encourage you to do one other thing as well. I like to take pictures and document what I've done so that you can always have this to show the manufacturer or the place you bought your RV, hopefully RV Wholesalers later. Don't forget, take some photos. Good to know. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and let us know if you have any questions. We're here for you. Thanks.